Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do a video about a program that's called list less than 10. So it's got a list of, let's say, 10 numbers in an array, or a list as they're known in Python, and our challenge is to print out the numbers that are less than 5. So number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in that array or list as you're familiar. So let's get right into the program. Nothing too complicated, so yeah. So as you can see here right now, we're on the program challenge list less than 10, and here I've just copied the list over here because we need it in the program, and it says write a program that prints out all the elements of a list that are less than 5. So let's get right into it. I need to go to PyCharm, new file, and I'll say LLTF, list less than 5. Okay, so that's the first step. So what we want to do is create a new list that we're going to append the numbers that are less than 5 to it. So all we need to do is new list equals, and we're going to make it blank. So there's nothing in it right now, and you're going to see what the logic is behind this soon. We also want a variable that has a number so that we can say if something is less than this, then do this. So since the list is less than 5, we'll be using if num is less than 5, or something along those lines. For I in A, so we're going to be doing a for loop, and I'm going to explain it after the for loop is done. Okay, so what this for loop is doing is saying is this for I can be anything, and the A means this list that we've got at the top. So here 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 in the Fibonacci sequence. So for I in A, and the I can be anything, if I is less than number, which is the index in the array, so 1, 1, 2 and 3 are less than 5. If that is less than number, which is 5 of course, then it's going to append that number that's less than 5, which is I, to the new list. So far what would be happening now is the new list would have 1, 1, 2 and 3 in it. And all we need to do is print the new list. Well, we don't need the brackets. Print new list. So I'm going to save that. So I'm going to click run, and then we're going to click run again, LLTF. So what it does is print 1, 1, 2, 3. So it prints every item that's less than 5. As you can see, it clearly does. It's not the hardest program, but it does require a bit of thinking. So we've just got the list, we create a variable that is 5, which is the number we intend to print lower than it. Then we create a new list which is empty, because we're going to append the numbers less than that to that list. Append is just adding it to the list basically. And we've got a for loop for whatever number is in that A array or list. I keep on saying array because it is an array in other programming languages. It's just in Python where it's called a list. So if I is less than number, or less than 5, new list to append I, and then print new list. So that's the end of the program. As you can see, process finished, and it prints out what we need to do. So it wasn't that much of a difficult challenge. If you like the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Go and visit my Instagram and Twitter down below for occasional programming tips and news and stuff like that.